How to fix TikTok login problem. So if you're facing a problem with the login on TikTok, then first of all, open up your TikTok application. And then after opening your TikTok, now here you will have your login page, right? So you will have a bunch of options. You can simply log in with your phone, email, or username, or with your Facebook, or you can also continue with your Google, Twitter, or Instagram. So I'll be choosing the first option. So here you will have two options. One is phone number and another one is email or username. So under phone number, you have to enter your phone number which you have used to create your account, and after entering that phone number, you can simply tap on send code and then you will receive a code to that number, and after entering that code, you will be logged into your account. But if you don't remember your phone number, then you can go to the right side, which is email or username, and then here you have to enter your username, and after entering your username you can enter your password and then log in. But if you don't remember your username, then you can enter your email address, or if you don't remember your password, then you can simply tap on forgot password and you can choose your phone number or your email address. So as you don't remember your phone number, then you can choose your email, and then you have to enter your email address here, and after entering that you can simply tap on reset, and then you will receive a mail to your email address which you have just entered. And after tapping on after opening that email, you will have link or you will have a reset option. You can simply tap on that reset, and then you can create a new password and then you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.